Hello there, c'est le with a mal tempo report. Tout d'abord, voici Amara, voilà Bruce, et il y a une faible chance d'un cyclone tropical ici. Et un avertissement de cyclone de classe 4 est une vigueur à Rodrigues in ce moment. And that is the only French I know how to say, and probably didn't say any of it correctly either. This is Amara. This is a larger view of this, and in this satellite you can even tell where Rodrigues is in relation to the storm. Here, on this satellite from the Maurice and whatnot, there is Rodrigues. So very much under the cover of this storm at the moment. So they have the class 4 cyclone warning in effect. They have the strongest wind gusts that have been registered so far. And I believe this is saying that the rainy periods will persist. That's the word. And the sea is phenomenal. La mer est phénoménale. That sounded a little bit Italian, though. And apparently provoking tidal waves and coastal flooding. So very much not a fun situation at the moment for there. However, Maurice and La Réunion apparently far enough away that they don't have any kind of cyclone warning in effect for those areas. There could, of course, be some dangerous surf-type conditions. That seems to happen a lot of times anytime you get a storm passing this close to you, where it can cause, the dangerous rip currents, larger than normal tides and stuff of the such. So that is what is happening with Amara. So quite a big storm. And then there is Bruce. One of these tabs is Bruce. There is Bruce. Bruce, also a big storm. However, as far as I know, Bruce is not near any land masses. And I say that because there could be islands that I'm not aware of that are out there that are not indicated on the map. So Bruce is actually theoretically at the moment a slightly stronger storm. But of course, the one that's important is the one that's actually affecting land. So Amara, big cyclone there, but hopefully moving away soonish or be out of the area hopefully soon. So yes, that is what is happening. And of course, this area over here, very low chance of tropical cyclone formation at the moment. Yes. In US, severe weather. It's mostly about this winter storm that's going on. Well, they got winter weather advisories, ice storm warnings, flood watches, and all sorts of things. And next to this is where the severe thunderstorm weather is possible. Today, as high as a 15% chance. The mesoscale discussion that is in effect right now is for the freezing rain in Oklahoma. But in severe thunderstorm weather terms, this is the map showing the probability of the severe winds today. So there'd be winds 58 miles per hour greater. This is the map showing the probability of 1 inch or larger hail. And this is the map showing the probability of any size of tornadoes, so as high as a 5% chance today. But tomorrow, way off the charts. December, this is why I say you can't ever really let your guard down if you happen to live in Dixie Alley, and you shouldn't let your guard down at all. But not only is it as high as a 45% chance, but there's also the black hatched area. So we'll talk about that in a second, but what it could indicate is instead of 58 mile per hour and greater winds, it'd be 75 mile per hour and greater winds. Instead of 1 inch or larger hail, 2 inch or larger hail. Instead of a tornado of any size, it could be tornadoes EF2 and greater. So if you go down and read the outlook, let's see if, okay, so there you go. This is where I say may support locally enhanced strong tornado potential through the afternoon across northern Louisiana. So possibly some of this black hatched area is going to be about the strong tornado chance. But tomorrow, the Storm Prediction Center will put out the individual maps that show break it down into the individual threats, and then we'll find out. Because then it might also be, I wouldn't be surprised if it's a severe wind threat with this storm as well. So the 75 mile per hour and greater winds. But we'll find out tomorrow. And then day 3 tapers off quite drastically from 45%, but still something to talk about because quite a large area is affected by that. And then day 4 through 8 is the predictability too low right now. So timing and or location not yet certain enough for them to put something on the map. So definitely things going on in the land of cyclones, things going on in the land of US severe thunderstorm weather. So, severeweathertv.com is the official homepage of the screencast. That wasn't much of a segue at all. WickedWix is WICKEDWX.com. And Cyclocane is CYCLOCANE.com. And that is it for today. And hopefully you're staying safe out there.